In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link Google Drive to Canva. It's a straightforward process that will only take a few minutes, so let's get started and enhance your design workflow. First, you'll want to open up a web browser and head over to the Google Drive homepage. If you haven't already, make sure you're logged into your Google account to access your drive. Once you're there, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface if it's new to you. We want you to feel comfortable navigating around. Now, move your attention to the upper right corner of the screen. You'll see a small gear icon that represents the settings. Click on this icon. This will open up a drop-down menu with several options for managing your Google Drive account. In this drop-down menu, find and click on Settings. This will open a new window with various settings that allow you to customize your Google Drive experience. In the new settings window, look to the left-hand side and find Manage Apps. Clicking here will bring up a list of applications that are connected to your Google Drive. This section is where you can manage your current apps and add new ones that work with Google Drive. While we're here, find the option at the bottom of the Manage Apps section that says Connect More Apps. Go ahead and click on this. You're going to see a window pop up displaying a variety of apps you can connect to your Google Drive. In the search bar of this new window, type in Canva. Canva is a great tool for creating designs and marketing materials, and linking it with Google Drive will allow you to seamlessly access your stored files. Once you've typed in Canva, find the app in the list and click on it. This will give you some more information about the Canva app, as well as an install button. Click on Install and you'll be taken through the steps to connect Canva with Google Drive. At this point, you might be prompted to select the Google account you wish to use with Canva. Choose your account if prompted. This ensures that Canva has the necessary permissions to access your Google Drive files. You will also likely encounter a consent screen which asks for permission to allow Canva to access certain aspects of your Google Drive. This is normal. Click on Select All to give Canva the permissions it needs, and then click Continue to finalize the process. And that's it, you've successfully linked your Google Drive to Canva. Now, whenever you're creating a design in Canva, you'll be able to easily import files from your Google Drive, streamlining your workflow and making your design process more efficient. Thanks for watching, and happy designing. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and guides. See you next time.